You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. So in this lab, we will be adding new mail databases. So first, I'll go to servers. Then I'll click on databases here. And you can see that I already have one database that is actively running on this one. I'm going to add another database. Now the database name would be Montreal database. Because you only have one OU and only 2 users in it, I'm going to add the server here and mount this database and click on save. Now after this, I'll have to restart the Exchange Information Store services. As you can see this here, Microsoft Exchange Information Store. I click OK. I go to my file, my server manager here, click on Tools, click on Services, scroll down until I can see Microsoft Exchange, and under that, Information Store. Right click, restart. Now once the restart starts, or once it concludes, then we'll move on to the next step. The next step, after I close this, is go back to the Exchange Admin Center again. Go back to the Exchange Admin Center. I'm going to just refresh everything just so that it looks clean. And once I'm here, under Recipients, I'm going to click on the Migration tab here. And then click on New, move to a different database. I'm going to select my users. Now, number 1, Daniel Craig, and number 2, Tom Hanks. I'm going to select both of them. Click on OK. Next. Now, the move would be named, let's say, Montreal database again. My target database, I'm going to click on Browse and select the Montreal database that I have here. Okay. Next. Now, one thing, always double check what exactly are the limits. Make sure that everything is correct. Then click on Next. And then click on New. Now, this is the funniest part ever because usually you have the option of Save. Here we have the option of New. And that is what we are doing in this lab, nothing else. We have already done these steps earlier, but we are repeating these steps again so that we understand what exactly we did after we built up the entire infrastructure. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.